Hello everyone, this is a quick introduction to the new Teachable machine integration of the GoGo board platform. So right now I'm at the Teachable machine website. I've created two classes. One is called on, the other one is called off. And I've trained it so that whenever I do a thumbs up, it'll be recognized as on. And whenever there's no hand, it'll be recognized as off. And I've trained this model and I go to export. And this is the URL that it has generated. So I just copy this URL and then I head over to the GoGo board platform, the code.org, code.gogoboard.org. And then I scroll down and you should see a new card called Teachable Machine. You click on the configuration, the shareable link from Teachable Machine. This is the link that I just copied before of the trained model. I just put it in here. I set the threshold so that this is the confidence level before it decides to recognize, and then the broadcast output channel right here. So what will happen here is, let me run the model. I save and then hit run. It'll start using the laptop's webcam to recognize. So right now, the confidence level is not 80% yet, so it's not going to fire anything. So when I do a thumbs up, it goes up to on, hide my hand, and then it goes to off. The performance of this model depends on your training. So how do we make use of this? So basically, once the confidence level goes above the threshold, it will fire a broadcast message corresponding to the label that you have given to the model. So right now, if I do on, you will see that it has sent an on message. I put my hand down, it sent an off message. And you can write a simple program here to use a when receive block. When on, I turn on a motor or output. And then when I receive off, I turn off that output. So let's run this program. I download and run. Right now, I have the GoGo board connected to a light bulb. So whenever I do a thumbs up, it will turn on the light bulb. And you can see the glare on my face right now that the light is on. Put my hand down and it goes off. So let me move the light a little closer so that you will see. All right, so that might affect the performance of the model actually. So if I do on, then off, on, and then off, like that. All right, so give that a try. Still in testing phase right now, so if you want to try it out, you have to go to beta-code.gogoboard.org. Have fun, give it a try.